the Kolier Supertrend Indicator, which is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and execute it on the chart. Additionally, traders can refer to this page to understand how the indicator works and operates. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file, and by dragging the file onto the chart, we execute the indicator. Upon execution, the indicator begins to display bullish and bearish trends within the market. This indicator performs its calculations using ATR and displays bullish trends in green and bearish trends in red. Traders can easily enter buy or sell trades using this indicator. When the trend line breaks upwards, we can enter buy trades. And when the trend line breaks downwards, we can enter sell trades. In the settings section, under the input part, there are 3 options available. In the first part, we can set the ATR period, which is set to the default value of 10 here. In the next section, we can adjust the ATR multiplier, which is set to the number 3. The higher we set the multiplier, the smoother the trend line becomes, and fewer trend changes occur. Conversely, if we set a lower value, the trend line experiences more fluctuations, and the trend changes more quickly. Finally, there is the look back section, which here we can set the number of candles for displaying and calculating an indicator. For example, I set 500 candles here, the ATR to 21, and set the multiplier to approximately 3.5, and then I apply the approximation. Here, we can see it displays a smooth line for us, and our trend changes, drawing only 500 candles for us. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.